So here we have a question. 4 multiply 6 minus 8 divide 4. Okay, so now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one multiplication, one subtraction and one division. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 4 multiply 6 is equal to 24 minus 8 divide 4. Now according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve division, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 24 minus, now 8 divide 4 is equal to 2, is equal to 24 minus 2 is equal to 22. Okay, so the correct answer is 22.